Welcome to Options Trading Authority Cyclone 2, introductory video number 2. I decided to talk a little bit more about this system and what it is. Well, this is a video home study course that teaches you the method, the secret sauce. So you own a skill for life, right? A lot of people are into software these days. You know what? What happens if the software breaks? What happens if the software no longer interacts with an exchange? Plus, this is vanilla options, so we don't deal with software here. So, it's a video home study course. You want to learn the skill for life. It's going to take you what? Maybe 10 minutes a month to trade this? Maybe 15 a month. This is based on a monthly cycle too. So this is pretty neat. This Cyclone 2 method was designed to make things as easy and as fun as possible, because we're taking advantage of a monthly cycle, and as you can go study in a price chart. Actually, let's go pop one. Here's Boeing. We're here with Trading View charts here. So you can see here January, February, March, April. So these are lined up with a monthly grid. And you can see here, you have these monthly types of move. Now, not every month is going to do this great sort of power trend, but a certain percentage of months will do that. And just imagine just being able to ride that up and not have to worry about it. Okay, and you just go with the system. So, and you'll be able to handle these different types of months. You'll have a strategy. You'll have a plan. And it's a very straightforward one, and so therefore you don't have to do all this wiggling and jiggling anymore. You can just simply capture these moves and let the markets do its thing. And once your options start to get in the money in that 1-to-1 delta, 100% delta, then your profits can start to accumulate quite quickly and nicely, right? So, for example, you can look at the track records below. If you look at the stock net profit and loss points, and what you can do to make sense really quickly of how much you could make is that you can go look up. Here's Boeing. Okay, let me get this simple. You can go look up Boeing options. All right, currently they're pretty well priced. They're not too bad at all. Boeing can put in some very nice moves, and you can go see, okay, how much time do I need? Okay, how far out, and what kind of return can I make over if my stock goes up 5 points, 10 points, 15 points in a month, and you can look up, down a month in the expiration cycles to see how your profits would factor in with premium decay. Okay, of course. If you're buying an option, you have premium decay. Now, you can use this system to sell options, right? Sell naked options, but, well, I mean, your profits are capped. Here, they're not capped. So when you buy options. So you can take advantage of these moves. You'll have a plan for when the stock doesn't really do anything, okay? So you'll have loss mitigation in these types of months too, whereas it's you're not having to work a lot, okay? And so a lot of the expense in trading some of these more complicated systems is the involvement. It's not necessarily the time, although the time can be. It's more. It can be increased a little bit if you're swing trading, trend trading, etc. But it's the emotional and mental involvement, because we tend to be very curious to what our portfolio is doing, and really we should not be checking it every day. If you want to learn about that, go read How I Made $2 Million in the Stock Market by Nicholas Darvis. Great book with so many lessons in it. And so you just want to do your simple system, not check the market until it's time for you to go see if you need to do any sort of trade entry or exit. So in short, this method is a great method that I know a lot of you out there want. Okay, because I know over time, that I can sense what a lot of folks want. They just want to put on a couple trades and make money. Well, this is that system. So I would definitely look into purchasing this. The fee for the system is a pittance compared to the potential return. Even let's say your first month is this. Well, I mean, unless you're trading like one contract, but as you get up in time, 20 contracts would roughly be a rough equivalent to trading 1,000 shares, but it kind of balances out between premium decay versus as you get to 1-to-1 delta. Now you have a 2-to-1 ratio versus your stock of profiting, and then it's kind of a mix and balance of the premium decay. And this is I'm talking about when you look at performance track records to get a more accurate picture of end results to your trading account. So if you have stocks that can move a lot every month, and I mean these are just drama stocks, well, hey, your deltas or your returns could be higher versus your premium decay. So anyways, that's about it. So go get this system because I know you want it. That's about it. Thanks.